Hello everyone! Eco-friendly home decor is gaining momentum in 2024 as people are more mindful of sustainability and their environmental footprint. With the fall season arriving, it's the perfect time to introduce cozy, nature-inspired elements that are both stylish and environmentally friendly. This guide explores a range of eco-friendly home decor ideas for fall 2024 that will elevate your space while promoting sustainability. 1. Sustainable materials. One of the key aspects of eco-friendly home decor is using sustainable materials. For fall 24, consider incorporating natural, renewable materials like bamboo, cork, reclaimed wood, and jute. These materials not only reduce your environmental impact, but also create a warm, earthy aesthetic perfect for the fall season. Bamboo furniture. Bamboo is a fast-growing, renewable resource that's both sturdy and elegant. Look for bamboo chairs, tables, or even bamboo storage solutions that bring a clean, minimalist vibe. Reclaimed wood. Using reclaimed wood for furniture or accents, such as shelves or headboards, gives new life to old materials while reducing waste. The natural imperfections in reclaimed wood add character and warmth, perfect for fall. Cork decor. Cork is a renewable resource harvested from the bark of cork oak trees, and it regenerates over time. Incorporate cork as wall panels, coasters, or even as a backsplash in the kitchen for a unique and sustainable touch. 2. Organic textiles. Fall is the season of cozy fabrics, so opt for organic textiles that are free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. Organic cotton, linen, hemp, and wool are all excellent choices for eco-friendly decor. Organic cotton bedding. Soft and luxurious, organic cotton sheets, pillowcases, and duvets offer comfort without harmful environmental impacts. Choose earth tones or muted fall colors like rust, olive, and mustard for a seasonal feel. Wool rugs and throws. Wool is a natural, biodegradable fiber that provides excellent insulation. Adding a wool throw or rug to your living room or bedroom adds both warmth and texture. Look for ethically sourced or organic wool to ensure that the materials were obtained sustainably. Linen curtains. Linen is breathable, durable, and made from the flax plant, which requires less water to grow. Linen curtains in neutral shades help to create an airy, natural look while keeping your space light and eco-friendly. 3. Upcycled and recycled. Decor upcycling and recycling are at the heart of sustainable decor practices. Fall is a great time to get creative with DIY projects that give old items a second life. Repurposed furniture. Instead of buying new, consider refurbishing old furniture. A fresh coat of eco-friendly paint or stain can transform a worn-out piece into a statement item for your home. For example, an old dresser can be repurposed as a kitchen island or console table. Recycled glass vases. Glass can be recycled endlessly without losing its quality. Look for vases, jars, or candle holders made from recycled glass. These items not only reduce waste, but also add a touch of sophistication to your decor. Vintage finds. Thrift stores and flea markets are treasure troves for vintage decor. Look for fall-inspired items like wooden trays, brass candle holders, or retro mirrors. Giving vintage pieces a new home prevents waste and adds a unique, personalized touch to your space. 4. Indoor plants for air purification. Bringing the outdoors inside with indoor plants is a wonderful way to embrace eco-friendly decor. Not only do plants purify the air, but they also create a serene, natural atmosphere. Low-maintenance fall plants. Opt for plants that thrive in the fall season, such as snake plants, peace lilies, and rubber plants. These plants are known for their air-purifying qualities and are easy to maintain. Sustainable planters. Choose eco-friendly planters made from recycled materials, natural clay, or bamboo. Avoid plastic pots and instead look for biodegradable options that blend with your decor. Living wall or vertical garden. If you're short on floor space, consider creating a living wall or vertical garden using sustainable materials. These plant installations add a lush, green element to your home and act as natural air filters. 5. Energy-efficient lighting. Lighting plays a key role in setting the ambiance of your home, especially in the fall when daylight hours are shorter. Opt for energy-efficient lighting solutions that reduce your carbon footprint without compromising on style. LED bulbs. LED bulbs are highly energy efficient, using up to 90% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs. They also last longer, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. Warm-toned LED bulbs can mimic the cozy glow of natural light, perfect for fall. Solar-powered lights. For outdoor areas like patios or gardens, consider solar-powered string lights or lanterns. These eco-friendly options use renewable energy to light up your space. Natural candles. Candles are quintessential for fall, but traditional paraffin candles are derived from petroleum. Opt for eco-friendly alternatives made from soy, beeswax, or coconut wax. These candles are biodegradable and emit less soot, making them a healthier choice for both you and the environment. 6. Eco-friendly paints and finishes. If you're planning to refresh your walls or furniture this fall, opt for eco-friendly paints and finishes. Conventional paints contain volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that release harmful chemicals into the air. Low VOC or no VOC paints. These paints have fewer toxic emissions and are safer for both your health and the environment. Brands like Benjamin Moore and Sherwin-Williams offer eco-friendly paint lines in a range of autumnal colors, from deep ochre to forest green. Natural wood finishes use natural oils like linseed or tung oil to finish wood furniture instead of synthetic varnishes. These oils penetrate the wood and enhance its natural beauty without harmful chemicals. 7. Compostable and biodegradable decor. When selecting decor items, consider those that are compostable or biodegradable at the end of their life cycle. This reduces waste and ensures that your decor won't contribute to landfill pollution. Biodegradable tableware. For fall gatherings, opt for biodegradable plates, cutlery, and napkins made from materials like bamboo, cornstarch, or palm leaves. These items can be composted after use, making them a sustainable alternative to plastic or paper. Natural fiber rugs. Choose rugs made from natural fibers like jute, sisal, or hemp. These materials are biodegradable and add an earthy texture to your home. Plus, they're durable and can withstand heavy foot traffic during the fall season. 8. Water-saving decor. Incorporate water-saving elements into your home decor to promote sustainability. While this is particularly important in the bathroom and kitchen, you can also add water-saving touches to other areas of your home. Water-saving faucets. If you're updating your bathroom or kitchen for fall, look for water-efficient faucets and shower heads. These fixtures reduce water usage without sacrificing performance. Indoor water fountains. Indoor water features can create a calming atmosphere. Choose energy-efficient, low-water use fountains made from sustainable materials to add a soothing, eco-friendly touch to your home. 9. Multifunctional and modular furniture. For smaller homes or apartments, multifunctional furniture is a great way to make the most of your space while staying eco-friendly. Modular furniture that can be adapted to your needs reduces the need for new pieces over time. Modular sofas. A modular sofa can be rearranged to suit different room layouts, allowing you to change your decor without buying new furniture. Look for pieces made from sustainable materials and eco-friendly fabrics. Storage ottomans. Storage ottomans provide both seating and hidden storage, helping to reduce clutter in your space. Choose ottomans made from natural or recycled materials for a sustainable option. Conclusion: incorporating eco-friendly home decor for Fall 24 is all about choosing sustainable, natural, and ethically sourced materials while embracing the cozy vibes of the season. From upcycled furniture and energy-efficient lighting to organic textiles and biodegradable decor, there are countless ways to make your home both stylish and sustainable. Embrace the beauty of the fall season while reducing your environmental footprint with these eco-friendly decor ideas. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas.